Welcome back to Small Space Hacks, how to make the most of your tiny studio video series where we show you how to make the most of your tiny studio apartment. In the first part, we shared some tips on how to choose a light and neutral color palette, use multi-purpose and space-saving furniture, and create zones with room dividers. If you miss it, you could watch it here. You will find the link below under the video description. In this new part, we will continue with more hacks on how to maximize vertical space with shelves and hooks, add personality and style with accents and accessories, and make your studio feel cozy and comfortable. Hi, I'm Lulu, your host for today's video. Welcome back to our channel and the newly uploaded video. If you like the video, please consider giving us a like, comment, and if you are not yet a subscriber, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, Grig Stamate Interior Design Solutions. Let's get started. This tiny studio apartment is a perfect example of how to make the most of a small space. The single bed is placed against the wall with wall-mounted cabinets over the bed that provide extra storage. A wall-mounted tiny nightstand and a small table lamp offer convenience and style, while smart wall-mounted lighting over the bed create a cozy and romantic atmosphere. Hooks for clothes are installed on the opposite wall, saving floor space and keeping the room tidy. The white walls and the laminated flooring create a sense of openness and brightness, making the studio feel larger and more inviting. This small studio apartment is a cozy and stylish space that combines modern and classic elements. The gray walls and the parquet flooring create a neutral and elegant backdrop for the furniture and accessories. The two-seat light gray sofa and the cute tiny armchair offer a comfortable and inviting sitting area, while the small round-top coffee table and the pendant lamp over it add some charm and character. The single bed is tucked in the corner with the floor-standing mirror next to it that reflects light and creates an illusion of more space. A small modern painting in vibrant red on the wall above the sofa adds a splash of color and contrast, making the studio feel more lovely and personal. The small studio apartment from the image is a bright and spacious space that features white walls, white flooring, and large windows that let in plenty of natural light. The living area is pretty good size with enough room for a sofa, a coffee table, and a TV. The bed is separated from the rest of the apartment by a glass wall, which creates a sense of privacy and coziness. The glass wall also allows the light to flow through the apartment, make it feel more open and airy. This small and compact studio apartment is a functional and cozy space that makes the most of its limited square footage. The one-wall kitchen features white cabinets that contrast with the dark countertop and backsplash, creating a sleek and modern look. The large windows with transparent drapes let in plenty of natural light and offer a nice view of the outside. The tiny dining space consists of a round table and two chairs near the windows, providing a comfortable and intimate spot for meals. The sofa bed and coffee table opposite the dining area from the living and sleeping area, which can be easily converted as needed. A large pendant lamp over the coffee table adds some style and character to the space, as well as some extra lighting. This small studio apartment from the image is a beautiful and cozy space that combines natural and modern elements. The gorgeous hardwood floor and the top color walls create a warm and inviting atmosphere, while the one-wall kitchen with gray cabinets and white countertop offers a sleek and functional design. The black round dining table and chairs are included in the kitchen area, providing a convenient and elegant spot for meals. A small glass wall separates the kitchen dining area from the sleeping area, which features a comfortable bed and a small working station with a tiny desk. The glass wall also allows the light to flow through the space, make it feel more open and spacious. Small studio apartment with brilliant white walls and laminated flooring. A tall floor-to-ceiling custom closet separates the sleeping area from the living area. This elegant L-shaped studio apartment is a spacious and bright space that features light gray walls, laminate flooring, large windows, and a glass sliding door that leads to a quite big balcony. The kitchen has light gray cabinets and a white backsplash, creating a clean and modern look. The dining area has a beautiful round wooden table and 4 chairs, offering a cozy and classy spot for meals. The stylish living room has a comfortable sofa, a coffee table, a TV, and some plants, providing a relaxing and inviting sitting area. The small sleeping area is located between the windows and the kitchen with a bed, a nightstand, and a lamp. The sleeping area is separated from the rest of the apartment by a curtain, which adds some privacy and textures to the space. Here you can see another beautiful tiny studio apartment with a smart furniture arrangement. If you enjoyed this video, please show some love by clicking the thumbs up button and sharing it with your friends. And if you want to see more videos like this, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on the notifications. And as always, if you have any questions or ideas, please leave them in the comments below. We love hearing from you, and we will try to answer as many as we can. See you in the next video. Bye bye.